Hello students. In this module today we are going to discuss about our next biogeochemical cycle. As we had already discussed water cycle in our previous module, so here I am going to start with nitrogen cycle. Nitrogen. How much amount of nitrogen we are having in our atmosphere? Do you know? Yes, 78%, right? So we are having enough nitrogen in our atmosphere. So I don't think should be any problem with any living organism to take that nitrogen. Am I right? Because it is already present in a large amount. We are having oxygen only 21% and nitrogen 78%. So plants and living organism must be able to take it simply. Does it happen? No, it doesn't happen. You know why? Because we cannot take the atmospheric nitrogen in the form as it is present in the atmosphere. First, it has to be converted into compound form, then only we'll and the green plants etc. will be able to take this nitrogen. So here we are just going to discuss that how the nitrogen reaches up to all the living organism and again it reach up to the atmosphere back. So this is what we are going to discuss. So many steps are involved with this nitrogen cycle. Are you able to see in this picture? Right? Lightning is going on. Nitrogen is getting fixed with by that lightning. And then what happened? When it will precipitate, it will turn into its compound form. Plants will take it. When plants will get the nitrogen by any method, then when it will be eaten by the herbivores, then these nutrients will be taken by these herbivores. जब इन herbivores को carnivores खाएंगे, then carnivores get that nutrition, that protein and that nitrogen contents, right? Okay, so the whole process we are going to discuss, and after that this diagram will be more clear to you. Okay, nitrogen is very important part of many essential molecules of living organism. You know, we are having proteins in our body, right? So proteins में भी nitrogen होता है. Nucleic acids, you must be aware, DNA, RNA, deoxyribonucleic acid and ribonucleic acid, उनमें क्या होता है? उनमें भी यही nitrogen होता है. Vitamins also contains nitrogen. So we can say overall that nitrogen is a part of many essential molecules to life, right? So नाइट्रोजन बायोलॉजिकली भी इम्पॉर्टेंट कंपाउंड है क्योंकि एल्कलॉइड्स यूरिया दे आल्सो कंटेन नाइट्रोजन. ओके, सो finally now thus we can say that nitrogen is an essential nutrient for all life form, and life would be simple if all these life form could use the atmospheric nitrogen directly. But as I told you now only that it's not possible to take the nitrogen in the form as it is present in the atmosphere. So nitrogen cycle क्या करती है? It produces the fixed form of nitrogen. ओके, नाइट्रोजन जब फिक्स हो, नाइट्रोजन फिक्सेशन हो जाता है, फिक्स हो जाता है उस एंड उसी के बाद जो है वी कैन टेक इट फॉर आवर बेसिक नीड्स. ओके, now how we can fix this nitrogen? See, for nitrogen fixation is the first step, and it is having two methods. Okay, nitrogen fixation first by artificial method and second natural method. Okay, so by artificial method industrial fixation could be done, right? Industries में fix होता है and it's converted into fertilizers and other so many chemical compounds. If I talk about natural method, then it is further divided into bacteria through bacteria and lightning. Bacteria. If I talk about bacteria, then molecular nitrogen is converted into nitrates and nitrites by free living bacteria, or the bacteria like rhizobium, which are present in the root nodules of the legumes. Okay, now let me show you a picture of this rhizobium bacteria, how it lives in the root nodule. So are you able to see in this picture how in the leguminous plants these rhizobium bacteria have made the nodules? Now what is the function of these rhizobium bacteria? They fix the atmospheric nitrogen into compound form. Okay, so by this process the atmospheric nitrogen is converted to ammonia, and later on plants can use this ammonia also, and sometimes it get converted into nitrates as well as nitrites also. Okay, nitrate or nitrite. Okay, next method is lightning method. See what happened during lightning. The high temperature and pressure is created in the air, right? How the lightning occurs, you know? When two clouds rub with one another. See, when the exchange of charges occur, उनके बीच में जब see one cloud is having positive charge, another is having negative charge, so they are having positive negative charges in them. So while the exchange of these charges, what happened? High pressure is created over there, right? And due to this high temperature and pressure which is created in the air, it converts the nitrogen into oxides of nitrogen. अब ये ऑक्साइड्स क्या करेंगे? ये जब बारिश आएगी तो ये ऑक्साइड्स एटमॉस्फेयर में ही रहेंगे. देन दीज ऑक्साइड्स विल डिसॉल्व इनटू दैट विद दैट रेन वाटर and convert into nitric and nitrous acids, okay, and fall on land along with rain. अब क्या होगा? Plant will utilize these nitrates and nitrites, and when the various life forms will eat that plants, they will also get the nitrogen components. Okay, now the next step is nitrification. What is nitrification? Now when ammonia is being made, then in nitrification what happens? It converts this ammonia into nitrite. Okay, and then this nitrite will get converted into nitrates. Alright, all these are the oxides of nitrogen, and plant can take in as the nutrients. So special kind of bacteria is involved in this process, जो कि naturally environment में होते हैं. Okay, what are these bacteria? Nitrosomonas and Nitrococcus. Okay, what they do? They convert the ammonia into nitrite. Okay, ये process कौन कर रहा है? Bacteria. Which bacteria are involved? Nitrosomonas and Nitrococcus. Okay, these are the two bacterias. Okay, ये bacterias क्या कर रहे हैं? Nitrosomonas and Nitrococcus, they are converting ammonia into nitrite. Okay, now अब क्या होगा? अब ऑक्सीडेशन होगा और ये जो नाइट्राइट है वो नाइट्रेट में कन्वर्ट हो जाएगा. ओके, नाउ ऑल दीज बैक्टीरिया नाइट्रोसोमोनास और नाइट्रोबैक्टर तो यहाँ काम कर रहे हैं. एंड हु इज डूइंग दिस? नाइट्रोबैक्टर. ओके, नाइट्रोबैक्टर बैक्टीरिया इज देयर हु इज रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर दिस. तो ये सारे बैक्टीरियाज जो हैं वो सॉइल में रहते हैं एंड इन्हें हम क्या कहते हैं? नाइट्रीफाइंग बैक्टीरिया. ये these soluble nitrates dissolve in soil water and absorbed by the roots. Okay, अब ये nitrates dissolve हो जाएंगे soil water में and roots will be able to absorb them. The nitrates and nitrites are used by plant to make amino acids. When plants will get these nitrates and nitrites, what they will do? They will use it to make amino acids. ओके, अमीनो एसिड्स क्या से क्या बनेगा? प्लांट प्रोटीन. ऑलराइट, नाइट्रेट्स एंड नाइट्रेट से क्या बना? अमीनो एसिड्स. अब इन अमीनो एसिड से क्या होगा? प्रोटीन्स बनेंगे एंड प्रोटीन्स आर इम्पॉर्टेंट फॉर ग्रोथ. वी नो दिस थिंग. So nitrates and nitrites are used by plants to make amino acids which are then used to make plant protein. Plant को अब कौन खाएगा? It may be eaten by animal. Okay, and ये भी हो सकता है कि no animal will eat that plant and just because of dead end decay all the nutrients of the plant again get mixed into the soil. All right. So the biomass which is used to produce biomass will also be used to produce animal protein also. Now the two steps we have discussed for this: nitrogen fixation and nitrification. Now the next, now when the nitrogen is now we are discussing ammonification. So when any animal or plant dies, see, if the animal is not being eaten by any other animal or the plant is not being eaten, then what will happen? After dying, उनका क्या होगा? Dead and decaying, right? So they'll release waste from their body and nitrogen is released in the organic form. अब ये जो organic nitrogen है ये क्या होगी? वापस it will be converted into ammonium by fungi and bacteria. Okay, so what is ammonification? Conversion of organic nitrogen into ammonium. Okay, see, ammonia is NH3 and ammonium is, what is ammonium? Yes, it is NH4. Okay, नाउ अगर अमोनियम बन गया अब क्या होगा? ठीक है, हमने क्या बोला? द आफ्टर ऑल द लिविंग ऑर्गेनिजम्स हैव यूज्ड द नाइट्रोजन, decomposer bacteria will convert the nitrogen rich waste compound into simpler ones. अब यूरिया और जो एडजस्टेड मटेरियल है वो भी डिकम्पोज करेंगे डिकम्पोजर्स एंड वहाँ से भी अमोनिया रिलीज होगा एंड इट विल रिटर्न टू द सॉइल अगेन. ओके, सो decomposers break the bodies of dead organism which results in the nitrogen being returned to the soil as ammonia. Okay, so वापस अमोनिया के फॉर्म में सॉइल को मिल गया. अब क्या होगा इनका? डीनाइट्रिफिकेशन, which is the final step in which the simple nitrogen compounds are converted back into nitrogen gas. What are the simple nitrogen compounds? Yes, this ammonia which is made over here. Now it will be converted into atmospheric nitrogen. Okay, so when the ammonia is converted back into inert nitrogen, the process is known as denitrification. What this process is known as? Denitrification. And bacteria are involved in this process which takes place in anaerobic condition. What I mean by anaerobic condition? In the absence of oxygen, right? As I have told you that in our body also this anaerobic respiration occurs when the oxygen not enter in our body at the time of going on stairs, at the time of running, when we feel breathless. That time this anaerobic respirations occur in our body. Okay, so when the ammonia is converted back into inert nitrogen, this is called denitrification. अब जैसे डीप सॉइल है या डीप वाटर है जहाँ पर ऑक्सीजन नहीं है, वहाँ पर क्या होता है? ये प्रोसेस डीनाइट्रिफिकेशन का. ऑलराइट, सो स्यूडोमोनास और क्लॉस्ट्रीडियम जो है वो रिस्पॉन्सिबल होते हैं डीनाइट्रिफिकेशन के लिए. और ये जो बैक्टीरियाज हैं दे कैन ऑल्सो लिव इन द प्लेसेस वेयर देयर इज अवेलेबिलिटी of oxygen. Okay, so what two I told you? Pseudomonas and Clostridium. Okay, so these two are the bacterias which are responsible for denitrification. And this is the final step. Now I would like to explain you the proper cycle which is being provided in NCERT books. Let's move towards that cycle now. See, in this cycle it is very clear and in too short form. All the terms now we understood. Now what is nitrification, what is denitrification, what is nitrogen fixation. So let's discuss this cycle now. See here, the nitrogen in atmosphere. अब क्या होगा? ये atmosphere की जो नाइट्रोजन है वो फिक्स होगी थ्रू बैक्टीरियाज और थ्रू लाइटनिंग और एनी अदर मैथड. ठीक है, नाइट्रोजन फिक्सेशन हो गया. अब ये किसको मिलेगा? फिक्स होने के बाद प्रेसिपिटेशन होगा एंड these fixed nitrogen will be taken up by the green plants. So it will be present in the protoplasm of green plant. Now these green plants will be either eaten by the animals, right? और it could be happen कि इन green plants का जब dead end decay हो जाए तो उनका अमोनिफिकेशन हो जाए. दैट मीन्स वो अमोनिया में कन्वर्ट हो जाएं. ठीक है, अब जो ये अमोनिया में कन्वर्ट होंगे वापस इनसे नाइट्राइट्स और नाइट्रेट्स फॉर्म होंगे एंड वापस ये नाइट्राइट्स एंड नाइट्रेट्स हो सकता है प्रोटोप्लाज्म ऑफ प्लांट्स के अंदर चले जाए. ठीक है, सेकंड पॉसिबिलिटी क्या है? दैट ये जो नाइट्रोजन है एटमॉस्फेयर की, इसका नाइट्रिफिकेशन हो जाए एंड industrial fixation. As I have told you that artificial method is also there, right? So what is this? The artificial method. So atmospheric and industrial fixation occurs over there. वापस nitrification होगा and it will convert into nitrates and then denitrification and release of nitrogen into the atmosphere. Alright, so I hope it must be clear to you. For more explanation, I have broken these two cycles, this one and this one, into two different points I have explained. Let me show you that. See, you have to make it together, but just for simple explanation, I have made it like this. Alright, nitrogen in atmosphere is over here. Okay, नाइट्रोजन इन एटमॉस्फेयर, नाइट्रोजन फिक्स हो गया, प्लांट्स ने ले लिया, प्लांट्स को एनिमल्स ने खा लिया, एनिमल्स का डिकम्पोजिशन हुआ, डेड एंड डिके हुआ, कन्वर्टेड इनटू अमोनिया. प्लांट्स का डेड एंड डिके हुआ, उनका भी अमोनिफिकेशन हुआ, कन्वर्टेड इनटू अमोनिया. देन अमोनिया से नाइट्राइट्स बना, नाइट्रेट्स बने, देन डीनाइट्रिफिकेशन आकर एंड देन nitrogen again released into the atmosphere. Now have a look at this one. Nitrogen in atmosphere got converted into nitrates, nitrification हो गया. Then industrial fixation हुआ, right? Again nitrification, nitrites में conversion, denitrification, and nitrogen will be released. Okay, we don't have to make it separately, we have to make it together. Just for explanation I have done this. Alright, so these are the notes for this nitrogen cycle. I hope it must be clear to you. What are the first step? It was nitrogen fixation. Okay, and as I have told you, it could be done naturally, artificially, by bacteria or by lightning. Alright, sorry, this is the second step, nitrification, right? नाइट्रोजन, नाइट्रोसोमोनास एंड नाइट्रोकोकस बैक्टीरियाज की वजह से क्या हुआ, नाइट्राइट्स में कन्वर्ट हो गए पहले, एंड फिर उनका ऑक्सीडेशन हुआ, एंड नाइट्रोबैक्टर बैक्टीरिया की हेल्प से नाइट्रेट्स में कन्वर्ट हो गए. पहले नाइट्राइट्स, देन नाइट्रेट, देन दीज नाइट्रेट्स विल डिजॉल्व इन सॉइल वाटर, रूट्स विल एब्जॉर्ब देन, इट विल बी टेकन अप बाय द प्लांट्स, एंड प्लांट्स विल यूज इट and make amino acids. अब ये amino acids से क्या बनेगा, plant protein. Okay, now when the animals will eat this plant, उनकी body में ये protein animal protein के form में चला जाएगा. Okay, this is the third step, that is ammonification. dead and decaying होगा plants और animals का, nitrogen release होगी organic form में, ammonium ion के form में. Okay, by fungi and bacteria again and converted into ammonium. This is ammonification. Okay, next is denitrification, यानी simple nitrogen compounds, जैसे कि अमोनिया का conversion किस में, नाइट्रोजन गैस में. Which bacteria are involved? Pseudomonas and Clostridium. Okay, so it takes place in anaerobic condition like deep soil and deep water, and Pseudomonas and Clostridium bacteria are responsible for denitrification. Now let me share a video to explain more about nitrogen cycle. So I hope this nitrogen cycle must be clear to you all. So here we are finishing this class today. In our next module, in our next class, we will discuss about next biogeochemical cycle, that is carbon cycle. Thank you.